get it.
Walang sabaw to.
Oh, she's not panicking, so yeah, what she passes, it's not funny. Get up.
Naki magbalot.
Ay, mabalot.
What's that?
You should see.
Oh, look. It's yummy.
Why do you like this?
Egg.
No.
With duck, I think.
Duck egg, I mean.
Hold her. Hold her. No,
Harap.
try to
I'll hold it.
Portia.
Portia, you're reading your Portia.
She's not panicking, so that's good. I think she's kind of used to it.
If she already got her sauce, you could have took her to the like living machine. You could have locked her there.
And if she was used to it already.
Yeah.
Okay. It's okay, Cercia. You can walk, see?
Ayoko lang dito yung matigas.
What's this hard part?
Yeah. The white one become hard.
No.
But everything there.
Why don't do it so
Hey, it doesn't hurt. Why don't do it so close?
Girls, take-awat na kayo.
You go first, man.
No. Let's go into ano.
Go back.
Mm-hmm.
You're kidding me. Be good. Keep it on her for now. Good.
You see that? The sisiu? Yummy. Oh, mahirap tayo nito. But this one, the white one, is not really hard.
Hi, Freya. You're too scared for her.
Portia. 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 Portia.
Come here.
Get up. Get. Look.
How about Freya?
Okay, let's try her line.
She's gonna keep on
Try.
looking around.
Let's just try. Give her a treat.
Where's the feet?
There.
There.
On the TV.
Okay.
Your turn, Freya. On the TV.
I know.
Before she runs away. Yes, she's just sitting there.
This is mine.
Come here. No. Freya, come here. Go already before she runs away. No.
Freya.
Okay, get her.
Freya. Eat. Now.
No, Freya. You have to do it. See, your sister's okay with it. She's just sitting there. Perfect fit for her.
Freya!
At least she's moving with it. She's not picking it off.
Hindi siya galit.
No, she's running
Naku,
away.
anak, mukhang galit siya.
Just wait.
She just wants to.
She's just sitting there. She's not. See, she's just sitting here.
Maybe she was thinking it's blanket, you know.
Freya, where'd you go? She's so good. Freya.
Is she still have it on?
Yeah. Freya, it's okay. She looks sad.
Take your hands off.
It's okay.
You don't like it, anak.
But she has to learn how to do it.
Yeah.
Oh.
She's mad?
At least she's not panicking like last time, Lion.
Okay. No, she's just like
Sitting there.
She's sitting here. The last time we did it, you guys weren't here.
Mm.
Freya was hopping around. Yeah, she was
Mad?
freaking out.
No, she was just scared.
She was freaking out so much that she started hopping.
Oh.
Oh wait, dude, Freya's fine. She's just sitting.
She just overreacted. I think she's just scared because we held